I have not traveled to Europe.
I have not traveled to Europe. You haven't finished your homework. You haven't finished your homework. He hasn't seen that movie. He hasn't seen that movie. She has not visited her grandparents. She has not visited her grandparents. We have not completed the project. We have not completed the project. You haven't learned French yet. You haven't learned French yet. They haven't tried sushi before. They haven't tried sushi before. It hasn't rained today. It hasn't rained today. The book hasn't arrived yet. The book hasn't arrived yet. Okay guys, welcome to our new tutorial about how to make negative sentences with the present perfect tense. In this video, we'll break down the process step by step on how to build negative affirmations using this important grammar structure. Let's get started. Okay, so the present perfect tense is used to talk about actions or events that started in the past and have a connection to the present. By adding a negative element, we express that these actions or events did not happen or have not been completed. Now, let's dive into the basic structure of present perfect negations. To make a negative sentence in present perfect, we use the auxiliary verbs have or has, followed by the word not in past participle of the main verb. Let's see a couple of examples. I have not seen the movie, or she has not finished her work. Aquí el have not y el has not sirven como los elementos negativos, por así decirlo, en las oraciones, y siempre van después del sujeto y antes del verbo. And it's important to bear in mind that we use contractions usually more in conversations. So have not becomes haven't, and has not becomes hasn't. It's always like this. Have not es igual a haven't. Has not es igual a hasn't. Para repasar es I have not, you have not, we have not, they have not. Y con la contracción sería I haven't, you haven't, we haven't, they haven't. Esto es nada más con los pronombres I, you, we, they, como vimos en videos anteriores. Otro ejemplo, I haven't seen the movie. Y con los pronombres he, she, it es he has not, she has not, it has not. He hasn't, she hasn't, it hasn't, con la contracción. Un ejemplo, she hasn't finished her work. She hasn't finished her work. She hasn't finished her work. Okay, so let's see some time expressions. How you put in some time expressions. In this case, we can use words like never, yet, recently, in order to give like additional information. Like for example, I haven't seen the movie yet, or she hasn't finished her work recently. These time expressions gives us a more clear idea of the time frame. For example, I have not traveled to Europe yet. You haven't finished your homework recently. He has never seen that movie. She has not visited her grandparents in 2 months, en 2 meses. We have not completed the project yet. You haven't learned French recently. They haven't tried sushi before. It hasn't rained today.
The book hasn't arrived yet.
Okay, now let's talk about irregular verbs. In present perfect, some verbs have past participle which are irregular, so it's important to memorize a few irregular forms. For example, eat becomes eaten, sleep becomes slept. So the sentence is, I have not eaten breakfast. She has not slept well. I have not traveled to Europe. You haven't finished your homework. He hasn't seen the movie, that movie. She has not visited her grandparents. We have not completed the project. You haven't learned French yet. They haven't tried sushi before. The book hasn't arrived yet. Or has it? Haré un video hablando de las preguntas usando el tiempo presente perfecto. Por mientras, échale un vistazo a mi video de Matrix, donde puedes revisar verbos en pasado desde dentro de la Matrix. Es un video padre que hice basándome en la película de Matrix. Y aquí les dejo también un enlace para que también puedan ver el primer video que hice sobre el tiempo presente perfecto. Entonces, nos vemos pronto. Gracias por ver el video.